How to get wax out of carpet. Method number 1. Freeze it out. 1. Place an ice bag over the stain. This hardens and solidifies it, making it easier to remove. Remove and set aside when it's completely solid. Make sure the stain is as cold as possible. Apply ice packs, a frozen slab of meat, or whatever you have on hand to the wax. Allow it to set for a few minutes, or until the wax is completely frozen. 2. Take a butter knife and start chipping away at the stain. Getting rid of as much of it as possible before cleaning it will make the process more successful in the long run. The less wax you have to deal with at the end of the day, the better. Don't be concerned if you can't get much up. That's all right. If there is a significant amount of wax left over, proceed to method 2, using an iron to melt away the wax. 3. After the wax has been removed, spray the area with cleaner. A carpet spray or cleaning solvent will suffice. If a stain remains from the dye, rub it away with rubbing alcohol to remove the color. After using a solvent, blot the area with a clean rag and fresh water to remove any remaining residue. 4. Vacuum the surrounding area. The carpet has just been through a terrifying ordeal. Vacuum it to return it to its original texture. Method number 2, melt it away. 1. Cover the area with a sheet of brown paper bag, not plastic. A plastic grocery bag or a lunch bag will suffice. Place it along the stain's edge. Place a towel under the part of the bag that isn't directly on top of the stain. You'll be moving the bag as the wax saturates it, and you don't want the mess to spread any further. 2. Preheat the iron to a warm setting. Avoid getting it too hot, as this will cause the bag to melt. Also, avoid using the steam setting. You just want to feel the heat. 3. Slowly iron over the paper bag. Wax will be absorbed by the paper bag and removed from the carpet. Slide it out onto the towel as it saturates, exposing the wax to a new part of the bag that isn't covered in wax. As the spot becomes saturated, move to a clean part of the paper bag. Don't leave the iron on any one spot for too long, you don't want to end up burning something and exacerbating the problem. When the stain has stopped appearing on the paper, carefully lift it up to see what you're left with. Repeat if there is more wax to be obtained. It should all come up at some point. 4. Use rubbing alcohol to remove any remaining stains. Cover the stain with a cloth and reapply the iron with the steam setting. The dye should permeate the fabric and move away from the carpet. 5. For good measure, spray the area with carpet spray or a cleaning solvent. You can then blot it with a cloth or lay the cloth on top of the sprayed area and iron it with the steam setting on, just like you did with the rubbing alcohol in the previous step. If the carpet appears to be a little worn, try vacuuming it. This could restore it to its former, healthy-looking state.